For creating a rounded table, simply you have to create a frame by selecting frame tool and select your table and cut from here. Now select your frame and go on edit menu and keep select your frame, and here you have to choose paste into. Once you will click here, your table has been come inside this frame. Simply you have to select your frame and right click, do fitting options and click here fit frame to content. Now you can see our table has been come inside this frame. Simply you have to click on your table frame and change the corners from here as you want. You can see multiple type of corners option is available here, so you can choose which one you feel like best. So simply I just do it round. So you can see our corner has been rounded, but here it is some problem is coming at corner side. So first of all, I will remove the outline of the tables by selecting complete table. So if you have not watched my complete table video, so you can check out link in description and watch complete video. Simply have to select it and keep selected outside outline only and do it none from here. Okay, so as you can see our table outline has been none. Now simply have to click on your frame and change the and apply the stroke on your frame. You can see here stroke has been applied on the table, and that is also coming has been converted in rounded corners. So for adjusting or managing value of rounded corners, simply have to select your table and click here with Alt key. Now you can see here corner options panel from where you can change the value of your corners based on your requirement. Keep preview on button, you can see live how it's coming effect after changing the value from here. So but if you want to change any particular side of value, so simply keep uncheck here, and now if you change that particular side value will be changed only. Okay, so it's totally up to you as you want. Okay, so if you want all side of corners equal, so keep it check. Okay, so this is something about how you can change the corner options like rounded or they are insert bevel fancy. So there are multiple options is available that you can choose as you want. So hope you understand and come to know how to create rounded table. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content.
Lee Graphics.